Hi guys, today we will explain how to pay with Revolut card. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and choose cards from the top, and here choose your card. If you have not created, then click on the option Get Card, and from here choose a virtual card. And now pick your card color. And the next thing is open the mobile settings and then look for Wallet. Once you find Wallet, click on the option Wallet and Apple Pay. And on the last, you can find the option Add Card. Simply click on it. And here are two options, debit or credit card. And the next one is a travel card. Surely we will use debit or credit cards. Click on the option Continue. You can also add your card by scanning it, and also can enter the information manually by clicking on the option Enter Card Details manually. And here, the first thing is name, and then write the card number, which you will find in your Revolut application where you created your virtual card. The next thing is, it will ask the expiry date of your card and CVV number. Enter this by yourself, and then you can pay through your Revolut application easily.